But let's join the dots and connect with our chartists as well and figure out what the trade setup for this Tuesday morning is looking like. Kunal, Nooresh, hi, morning. Kunal, where's the Nifty headed this week?
Well, good morning, Aisha. So the last 3 days have been quite interesting for the indices. We managed to see a positive session previous, Wednesday. Thursday was a sharp downtick for the index where we managed to make a fresh low, managed to break past below the 50-day moving average. And Friday was a bit of an aberration again, where the index managed to bounce. But in that bounce on Friday specifically, the index, did not cross over the highs which was created on that Thursday's trading session. Now, this indicates that. Even though the recovery on the intraday basis was quite strong for the indices, but it was not strong enough for the index to try and surpass the previous swing high of 19,700, 750 odd mark on the spot level. So I think that would now act as a resistance for the index. In case if we break below the Thursday's low, which is I think around 19,500 mark on the spot, 490 to be precise, then I think we could be looking at a series of a downward trend on the indices going forward and possibly a retest of that 90,000, 90,200 mark.
All right, let's get in a take from you, Nooresh, and going by where we left off then on Friday's trading day, what is it that you're working with given the global setup?
So overall, we are still stuck in a band, but if we look at the global indices, they've drifted lower quite a bit over the last couple of weeks. So the last bottom for the Nifty was around 19,200 to 250 band, which I would expect to hold. And as of now, 19,500 to 450 is what I would expect to hold for the day. So overall, it's been a slow drift, and the drift has been more so with the heavyweights in the Nifty. We've not seen a similar correction or a break of the lows on the mid cap and the small cap indices. So we are still stuck in a range of one day up, one day down. So the bias still remains to be stock specific and be very selective. And the Bank Nifty has corrected a lot more, and it's closer to the major supports of 43,500 to 44,000. So overall, looking out for reversal signals here. And once we cross about 19,700, 19,750 on the Nifty, that would be an indication of a reversal of trend. So waiting for reversal signals and then a follow-up.